To show you, I want to invite a special guest to the stage. Say hello to Ballie. Hi, Ballie. Why don't you give him a big hand? This is a feature of a new personal care, designed to make your life just a bit easier. Ballie, say hi to the audience. What you see here is just one example of Samsung's vision of a robot as a life companion. I think he likes me. Ballie recognizes you and stays with you. I love this guy. He even knows to give me a little space. Watch this. How about walking together? Let's go. Can you move a little faster? He still follows me, right? Good job. Good job. I could use this technology around my office to make sure I'm not late to any meetings. Come here, Ballie. Good boy.